Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to be doing another technical analysis of Ethereum and picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. Now, currently what we got going on is we're within this corrective wave and trying to figure out what all this right here is. Now, there's a possibility that we might be able to continue seeing some bullish momentum within the price of Ethereum, which I also expect that this will be more than likely the possibility that we will see due to the fact that we do have the merge coming up here very soon. But the big thing that we really need to be getting over is this current Fibonacci level, which there is a large area of resistance at the price of $1,600, which we are showing signs that we are trying to pump through that, and we are seeing some increase within the volume activity in a positive way, that is, not in a huge sell-off way. Now, let's get into a technical analysis and a price prediction and a little bit of news. So as we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash the story and highlight, or just gently press that like button. It helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm, helps spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Now let's get to it. So looking over at the entire crypto market cap, we're still about $20 billion from seeing the entire crypto market cap from reaching $1 trillion. Now, more than likely, we'll probably hit that here soon, and hopefully Ethereum will be the one that will help send us there. Now, we are seeing some price movements with Ethereum right now at this moment, and over these last 7 days, we've only seen Ethereum up about 3%, but over this last 24 hours, we are seeing it up about 1.5% right now. Now, here on the 4-hour chart, we are seeing the next pump attempt in the works right now, as we have already tested that $1,600 price on this particular day. We got to $1,610. Now, it's all about really just seeing that price pump through, which I think that is going to happen on this day. So cross our fingers that we do manage to do that and manage to hold support above this Fibonacci level. So for the people that are new here, I'm using the Fibonacci retracement tool starting from about mid-June on into now, but ranging in price from that low that we had, that 52-week low that we saw with Ethereum, where we had that price under $900, and then looking at that high that we did see on August 13th, where we had the price of Ethereum above $2,000. So since then, we have retraced about 50% of those gains, and we're really working on trying to pump through this 38% Fibonacci level. Now, I do have these new price predictions that I've already put in on the previous video, so I will go ahead and pan out here a bit and look at how we are lining up at this moment. So we're still lining up to reaching within this more of a bearish price prediction. I know people might disagree, but then keep in mind how close we are to that 52-week low. Anything that is close to that 52-week low, then we'll say that's pretty bearish if you are someone that is bullish on crypto. So more so what we want to see is we want to see these price gains and retrace a lot of those levels that we were at, that we had seen back in April. We were doing really well within that first quarter for the most part. If you look at how things are going within January and February and then March, as we're really trying to work off that little bit of a December crash that we had seen right after crypto was at its all-time highs in November. And then things just did not end up holding out well at all after we had started that second quarter. When we got into April, we really started to see things turn the opposite direction after having some hope that we would see some gains within the crypto market. And then things, well, that's where we end up where we're at right now. So really hoping that we're going to get back above, get around to that $1,800 price here soon is where I really want to be seeing Ethereum. So we need to be pumping a little bit more. Just to pan back here, look at the price here on the daily chart. Now looking at the price of $1,800, very major area of support. So we need to get back to this, because this is where we can see the price bouncing off and go to these higher prices, where we can see Ethereum bounce off the price of $1,800 and then work its way up to $5,000. No guarantees that we're going to be seeing that anytime soon, but it would be really nice to start at least getting back to that $1,800 price and holding support. So really, I mean, when we think about where I want to see things go with my bullish price prediction, that's why I'm thinking I'm going to use that as a more of a neutral price prediction, and then a bullish price prediction, seeing the price of Ethereum going to $3,000. And this price prediction is by the end of September or early October. So hoping that Ethereum merge does take us up into these levels, and that's just to retrace a lot of those losses that we had seen and get the price back to where we were at after the first quarter, so regain those losses within the second quarter. So banking a lot here as we do wrap up this third quarter, and hoping that the month of October will be Uptober and potentially see things like we did last year after we were ending the month of September, when we were seeing the price of Ethereum really going up and then eventually into its all-time highs that we had seen in November. Now, I don't think we're going to see that same type of scenario now, but I really think that we could possibly be seeing some price pumps, and that $3,000 price prediction by the end of September or early October could be a possibility, but really looking forward to at least this neutral case being something that we could see. Now, I know there could be a possibility of seeing a little bit of sell-off as we do get to the Ethereum merge, because a lot of that might end up being priced in. So it's quite possible that we could be seeing something like this if we do end up pumping through those Fibonacci levels. And if we were to go for this a bullish case, we could see something like that. I know that looks a bit odd, but my timing could easily be off too with the rise in the price. But you guys get the idea. Now, also, I do want to mention that I will not be uploading at least one day here, possibly 2 days, because no matter what, I have a baby that is going to have to be born on Wednesday if he is not born before then. So do keep that in mind, that if you guys do miss an upload from me, it is because of that reason, and I will try to get back to it as soon as possible. So anyways, with that being said, though, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I will see you all in the next one.